Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a banana and chocolate cake.
For this, we need 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of walnuts, 260 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of cocoa powder, 200 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of warm milk, 114 grams of eggs, 100 grams dark chocolate chopped, 6 grams of baking soda, 3 grams of cinnamon, 1 gram of salt, 475 grams of ripe bananas and 4 lined 6-inch cake pans. Now for the recipe, preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Next, add butter in the stand mixer. Start the mixer at medium speed with whisk attachment and mix until the butter is soft. To this, strain in the sugar gradually and continue whisking. Stop and scrape from the sides and start whisking again. While the butter and sugar are mixing, blend the ripe bananas using a hand blender. Blend it to form a puree. Reduce the speed of the mixer and add eggs to it and continue whisking. To this, add 3/4 of the banana puree and increase the speed of the mixer. Stop whisking once everything is mixed and remove the bowl from the stand mixer. Add the remaining puree to the bowl and mix everything again. Next, take 1 tablespoon flour in a separate bowl. To this, add chocolate and walnuts and mix everything together. Next, in a bowl of all-purpose flour, sift cocoa powder, salt, baking soda and cinnamon and whisk. Add nuts and chocolate mixture to the wet ingredients and mix. To this, add milk and mix. Next, sift in the dry mix and mix using cut and fold method. That is, you cut the batter from the middle and then fold and then rotate the bowl. This ensures everything is mixed. Mix only until you can't see any dry flour. If you overmix it, it will turn into bread and not a cake. Add this batter equally in 4 cake pans. You can weigh them or add just by eyeballing. Next, using a spatula, smooth the top surface of the batter. Next, tap the cake pans to remove any air bubbles in it. Place these cake tins on a sheet pan and place these in the oven. Bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. When the cake is baked, it will leave the edges of the pan, or if you press it, it will spring back. The other way to check is if you insert a toothpick in it, it will come out clean or will have few dry crumbs. If any of the above is not observed, then bake it for some more time. Let the cake rest in the cake pan for not more than 5 minutes. If we leave it for longer, the moisture from the cake will stick the cake to the cake pan. After 5 minutes, tap the cake from all sides and then invert the cake pan. The cake will come out easily. Place this on a cooling rack and let it cool. The chocolate and banana cake is ready to serve. You can keep this cake at room temperature for 5 days. If you are planning to refrigerate or freeze it, then wrap it in a cling wrap to retain its moisture. This can be stored in the fridge for up to a week and in the freezer for 2 to 3 months.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.